Entry protocol into the courtroom is thanksgiving and praise. We cross the threshold with honor, enter his gates with thanksgiving, and his courts with praise. Psalm 100, verse 4. Case in re-healing and wholeness, crowned petition. Venue, Mount Zion, as written in Hebrews chapter 12, verses 22 through 24. Bench, the supreme ruler presiding. Bar, the sovereign king, mediator of the new covenant. Registry, citizen by covenant, according to Galatians chapter 3, verse 13 and Colossians chapter 2, verses 14 and 15. Court record, sprinkled blood and written statutes duly noticed. Basis of law, Psalm 103, verses 2 and 3. Isaiah chapter 53, verses 4 and 5. Matthew chapter 8, verses 16 and 17. James chapter 5, verses 14 and 15. Proverbs chapter 4, verses 20 through 22. Psalm 107, verse 20. Let the docket be opened before the supreme ruler's court. Jurisdiction is heaven and earth. Standing is by covenant and purchased right through the sovereign king. Enter this matter for healing and wholeness, dismiss infirmity, restore body, mind, and spirit, and take judicial notice of the statutes cited. Findings are recited and entered into the record. From Psalm 103, verses 2 and 3, the sovereign loads the petitioner with benefits. Iniquity is forgiven, and diseases are healed. From Isaiah chapter 53, verses 4 and 5, the sovereign king bore griefs and carried sorrows. By his wounding wholeness is decreed. From Matthew chapter 8, verses 16 and 17, this healing mandate is confirmed. He took our infirmities and bore our sicknesses. From James chapter 5, verses 14 and 15, the prayer of faith saves the sick. The Lord raises up. Where sins are implicated, they are forgiven. From Proverbs chapter 4, verses 20 through 22, the sovereign's words are life to those who find them and health to all their flesh. From Psalm 107, verse 20, he sent his word and healed them and delivered them from destructions. These findings control this matter. I move for clean hands and right speech. I renounce ownership language over sickness, doom narratives, and self-condemning talk. I receive forgiveness and align my words with the record of wholeness. I move to dismiss infirmity and pain, dismiss diagnoses, syndromes, and torment that have no enforceable right under the statutes noticed, restrain inflammation and malfunction, end recurrent flare cycles. I move for restoration of body, mind, and spirit, restore cellular order and systems regulation, settle the nervous system, appoint sound sleep and deep rest, renew the mind, establish resilient peace. I move to close unauthorized access, revoke hereditary or acquired claims asserted against this body, bar re-entry by prior afflictions, seal vulnerable gates. I move to appoint counsel and care, assign the governor's guidance to wise clinicians, counselors, and helpers, grant accurate tests, skillful treatment, and effective therapies with minimal side effects. I move for strength for the way, appoint daily grace for movement, nourishment, hydration, and disciplined recovery, convert setbacks into training and progress. Be attentive. The decree is about to enter the record. It is therefore ordered. Infirmity, pain, and recurrent torment are dismissed and without force. Their operations are restrained. Cycles are broken. Restoration is established. Systems regulate. Cellular order is renewed. Inflammation resolves. Strength, stamina, and sound sleep are granted. Peace is appointed to the mind. Anxiety, dread, and intrusive fears are dismissed. The petitioner's thoughts are stabilized and renewed. Unauthorized claims are revoked. Hereditary and acquired accusations lose standing. Vulnerable gates are sealed under guardianship. Counsel and care are appointed. Clinicians, counselors, and helpers act with wisdom. Diagnostics are accurate, treatments are effective, adverse effects are restrained. Daily grace is supplied, recovery advances in right rhythm, the petitioner walks in wholeness with thanksgiving. So ordered. Enter these orders upon the record and seal them. File them in the archive of the King's government, with receipts returned in due course.